Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you one chapter from a literature book, Albert Einstein at a School. Albert Einstein at a School, written by Patrick Pringle. Okay. The chapter is the biography of Albert Einstein, his days when he was at a school. Okay. Albert class was going on. The history teacher, Mr. Braun, asked Albert when was the Prussians defeated French at Waterloo. Albert told him directly that I don't know. The teacher told, I had already told the date. Then Albert said that he had forgotten. This irritated the teacher. He became very angry. He asked Albert, why? Then Albert replied that I didn't think any importance of remembering the dates. One could learn about them from the books. And he told that ideas are more important than the facts and figures. The teacher then thought that Albert didn't believe in education. He talked in a very angry way. Albert told him that learning facts was not education. The teacher said that Albert was a disgrace to be there. Then Albert felt very sad on that afternoon when he left from the school. From that day, he didn't like the school. He would have to come to it again. And he was living in a very small room. And where he was living, that was the poorest quarters of Munich. He was living in Munich. Okay, and Albert told that where he was living, the landlady beat her children regularly, and when her husband came every Saturday, he drank in the evening, and he then beat her. Means first the landlady beat her children, and thereafter she was also beaten by her husband. He didn't like the crying of the children every time. He told these things to one of his friends whose name was Yuri. He told that he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Now, next time his cousin Elsa came to Munich and she told Albert that if he tried, he could pass the examination. There were more stupid boys than him who had cleared the examination. Then moreover, passing the examination was not difficult. He had not to understand what he taught. He should merely repeat in the examination. He told Elsa that he was not good at learning things by heart. He liked music as it gave him comfort. He also liked geology. Albert didn't like to remain in the school. He met Yuri after 6 months. He had an idea. He told Yuri that he needed a medical certificate. So Yuri asked why you need a medical certificate. Then he told that when I got a medical certificate, I will show it to the school that I am not feeling well. I have some nervous problem. And on the basis of the certificate, I will get the TC. I will leave the school. Then Yuri told, okay, I will manage. I have one of my friends, doctor friends, okay, and his name was Dr. Ernest Well, okay, and I told him everything about you. You must be frank with him. Then Albert visited Dr. Ernest Well. Then he told everything to the Dr. Ernest Well. Then doctor told, you have really a nervous breakdown. Dr. Well issued a certificate. Albert told Dr. Ernest about his future plans. He would go to Milan. He hoped to get admission into an Italian college or institute. And it was possible from the comments of the mathematics teachers, Mr. Koch, because Mr. Koch liked Albert very much because Albert was very intelligent in maths and he solved all the problems of his class, and not only of his class he solved of other classes, upper classes also. So he had faith on Mr. Coach that Mr. Coach will give him a good remarks, and on the basis of that he will get admission in Milan. Then mathematics teacher was a different man. He understood Albert very well. He gave a glowing testimonial to him. He wrote that Albert knew so much that he couldn't teach him anymore, and he was ready to enter a college. No, the head teacher summoned Albert to his room, and he told Albert that I wanted to leave the school then. Albert asked why it was so. He asked if he should think he was to be expelled. The head teacher told him that if he went of his own accord, that question didn't arise, because Albert was very intelligent, and many of the teachers are disturbed by the Albert intelligence, because Albert asked very different types of questions, and the teachers can't explain every time, and the teachers knew everything, but they felt that I have to give more attention to only one people, rest of the class, because Albert was more intelligent than the other students, and he knew everything. That's why he wants to learn new every time. So the teacher thought that if he left the school, all the students will get their lesson easily. So the teacher gave him several reasons for his asking him to leave the school. Albert's presence made it impossible for the teacher to teach and pupils to learn. He rebelled, and no serious work would be done while he was there. Albert felt that medical certificate was useless. Albert wished to tell him that what he thought of him at the school, but he did not. He went out of the room. Before leaving the town, Albert saw Yuri, and he had no other real friend except Yuri. And then Albert left the Munich and went to Milan, and there he got admission into a college. Thank you and have a nice day.